Nature-based learning is a refreshing and inspiring approach within home education, centered around the idea that the natural world is one of the richest and most rewarding classrooms. It encourages children to step outside, explore their environment, and engage with the wonders of nature as part of their daily learning. At its heart, nature-based learning embraces the belief that children thrive when they are connected to the outdoors. Whether it's climbing trees, observing wildlife, or studying the changing seasons, nature provides endless opportunities for hands-on exploration and discovery. This approach not only nurtures academic growth, but also supports emotional, physical, and social development. One of the core elements of nature-based learning is experiential education. Instead of relying solely on books or screens, children learn by doing. They might investigate plant life by tending a garden, study ecosystems by exploring ponds and rivers, or develop mathematical skills by measuring the height of trees or the angles of a hillside. Each activity becomes a multisensory experience that enhances understanding and retention. The benefits of nature-based learning extend far beyond academics. Spending time in nature has been shown to reduce stress, improve focus, and promote overall well-being. For children, it offers an outlet for energy, a boost to creativity, and a deep sense of connection to the world around them. This connection fosters a lifelong appreciation for the environment and a desire to care for the planet. Nature-based learning is wonderfully adaptable. It can take the form of daily outdoor play, regular nature walks, or dedicated lessons in the great outdoors. Some families adopt elements of forest schooling, where children spend extended periods in woodland environments, developing skills such as shelter building, firemaking, and foraging. Others incorporate nature into their home-based routines, from creating art with natural materials to conducting experiments in outdoor spaces. This approach is inherently interdisciplinary. Observing bird behavior might lead to discussions about biology, geography, and even literature if a child decides to write a story inspired by their experiences. A project on the water cycle could include art, science, and field trips to waterfalls or reservoirs. Nature has a unique way of connecting subjects, making learning feel cohesive and meaningful. For parents, nature-based learning offers the chance to rediscover the outdoors alongside their children. It encourages families to slow down, appreciate the small wonders of the natural world, and enjoy quality time together. Simple activities such as stargazing or collecting autumn leaves can create lasting memories while fostering curiosity and knowledge. Social opportunities are also abundant in nature-based learning. Home education groups often organize outdoor meetups where children can learn and play together in natural settings. These experiences build friendships and provide valuable opportunities for collaborative learning. One of the most compelling aspects of nature-based learning is its accessibility. Whether you live in a rural area with open fields or a bustling city with parks and green spaces, nature is all around us. Even a small garden or balcony can serve as a space for discovery, from planting seeds to observing insects. Nature-based learning reminds us that education doesn't always require four walls and a desk. It reawakens the innate curiosity and wonder that every child possesses, showing them that the world is full of things to explore, question, and understand. For families who embrace it, nature-based learning offers not only a powerful educational approach, but also a way to build stronger connections with each other, with the environment, and with the rhythm of the natural world. It's a gentle yet profound reminder that some of the most important lessons can be found just beyond our doorstep.